Alright guys, I got a Toyota Sienna here. If you have a Toyota Sienna and you have a headlight working and a headlight not working, alright? 99% of the time you have a bad bulb. To change a bulb, you just go in back of this here. All you do is you twist this. You twist this and the bulb comes right out, right? Very simple. And to put it back, you twist it back on, alright? Same thing for that side, but I did change a bulb here. Usually you would jump right onto the bulb, alright? You don't want to go crazy, but I changed the bulb and the light still did not work, alright? You see this? This one's not working and this one is working, alright? So I popped open this fuse box here. So this is the cover for the fuse box right here. All you do is you push on this tab right here and you lift up the cover, and I'm gonna show you what I discovered. All right, you could follow the diagram here. All right, it will tell you the fuse, all the fuses, how many amps, and what that fuse stand for. Right over here it says H-LPRL. All right. Alright, that just means headlamp right and headlamp left. Alright, so this is the left side of the car, so we're looking at the fuse that says LL on it. Alright, so it's supposed to be a 15 amp fuse. Alright, but I wanted to check this. I don't know what happened here, but let's open this up. Alright, see my test light's working. I went to check the fuse for the headlight here. All right, you see that? That's working. That's for that side. All right, but according to this, I was supposed to have another fuse right next to it, 15 amp, all right, for the other headlamp. But when I'm looking at this is a 20 amp fuse here, and the fuse is blown. You see that? It has power here, but if I touch the other side, no power. This one has power on both sides, so this is a completed circuit in this fuse. All right, this is not even the correct fuse. First of all, 20 amps. I don't know why it blew. All right, someone must have messed around here before me, because I did notice somebody was working on this car before me. This cover was just loose sitting there. So I decided to make a video just to show you guys, don't put a 20 amp fuse, guys. All right, so if your headlight doesn't work even after you change the bulb, check your fuses. All right, so there's like a little puller right here. You take this little guy, you grab this fuse with it, and you pull out the fuse. All right, if you don't have a test light, you can simply look right through it. The flare inside will be burnt or broken. This one has like a little black dot to it, so the fuse did blow here. All right, so this fuse is good. You can put this up against the light and you can see it right through it. I'm not gonna use the camera's not gonna pick up on that, but this fuse is blown, and I do have a new fuse here. All right, so I have the correct fuse here. This is a 10 amp. I'm sorry, this is a 15 amp. All right, so my lights are on. All right, so it should come on as soon as I put this fuse in. All right, so let me throw this in. The light should come right on. You see that? The light comes right on immediately, all right? And if there was something wrong with the circuit, this will blow. But make sure you do put the correct fuse, all right? Don't put 15, don't put 20, 25 amp, don't put 10 amp. Put the proper amp, all right? Whatever the vehicle was designed for, whatever it's made with, all right? So if you have a test light, you could do that. If not, start pulling out fuses. Just make sure you don't pull out any crazy fuse, because you can pull fuse for the electrical throttle body and that will kill a lot of memory on it. So pull the correct fuse, look at it. If you don't have a test light, all right, you can swap the right headlight to the left headlight fuse and see what happens. If you don't know how to test if that one is working, but if the other, you could pay attention to it. Sometimes the fuse will blow right away. that means you have a bad circuit somewhere. It's a short in the circuit. All right, guys, I hope this video helps you. If you guys have any questions, if your headlights are not working, you can send me a message. All right, I will guide you where to start from, where to do, how to check, what to check. All right, so anything with the headlights, if you're watching this video, you can send me a message. Even something else, send me a message. All right, so bye bye.